Hey everyone and welcome to this tutorial on separating dual audio track in Audacity. This is useful when you have video with combined microphone and system sound or even multiple voices you want to isolate. By the end of this video, you will be able to effectively split these audio channels and work with them. First of all, you need to download the Audacity and the plugin, the MP4 plugin. So MP4 plugin basically help you to import the MP4 video file into the Audacity. Just open any browser and search for Audacity. First, you need to download the Audacity, and trust me, this is the fastest way you can just split these sounds. There's a lot of other tools are actually available, but you cannot do this that much faster. Just download the Audacity. Now install it. Installation is easy, just like the language. Click on next, 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 and then next install. Now one more thing we need to install here, the MP4 plugin, so we can import the MP4 video file into the Audacity. It's just time saving. MP4 Audacity plugin. And on the first top website, you need to go over there, and then you will see here, please see installing FFmpeg. Just click on that. Once you are here, it will take a time to load, and then you will see here the download FFmpeg installer from lame.something. And then you will see here the two versions for downloading 64-bit, for 32-bit, and for Mac OS if you are a Mac user. Right now I'm using 64-bit operating system. Just choose here, click on the download. It's only 8 MB, and simply you can install it. Yes, I accept the agreements. Next, choose the destination wherever you want. Click on next, and then install, and then click on finish. Now launch the Audacity. Alright, after doing these things, you need to open the Audacity first. And now you need to click on the file and then open it. Now choose the video that you want to, separate the voices. Now in this video, I have two different voices. The one for microphone, the other one for game. So you need to choose both voices by clicking on the left mouse button and drag on both, or you can hold the control and then choose separately both. And then click on OK. Once you import both voices over here, now just mute the upper one or the lower one and then listen.
Is it?
Okay, this one is microphone.
Like,
now you can import this one. Just make sure mute the upper one and then export. Export to computer, and then choose the destination, and you can just give it a name, microphone. So, and simply you can just click on export. That's it. Now you can delete the lower one and just unmute the upper one. This time you can just export audio to your computer and type it any name, system sound or gameplay sound, and then click on export. That's it. Now you can close your Audacity and you can hear.
is it?
Microphone. And this is the gameplay voice sound. Now you can easily edit. Thanks for joining this tutorial on separating dual audio track in Audacity. I hope this empower you to work with your audio more effectively. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy audio editing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.